Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the GE dryer shoe drying rack. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open the package, you're going to get the new shoe drying rack. The shoe drying rack is what you use to dry your shoes and other items you don't want to tumble. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. In order to change the shoe drying rack, we have to open up the dryer door. Once you have the door open, we have access to the shoe drying rack. In order to get it out, we're going to lift up on the lint filter a little bit, but not take it all the way out. And then lift up on the rack, and then you can pull out the mounting feet. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the dryer. Here's the old shoe drying rack next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new rack in, we're just gonna line it up and then lift up on the lint screen halfway. And then make sure the mounting feet go in. Once you have it in there, you can let the lint screen drop down and we can close the dryer door. Then we can plug it back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.